Hello, Hornets. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about the product rule. And one of the things we're going to be talking about is how does the AP test use the product rule on their test? Well, one of the things they like to do is they like to use charts. So you'll notice I have a chart here. We're going to start off first by learning how do we read this chart. I'm going to zoom in and just kind of turn off that light, and hopefully you see that a little better. So we're going to start by finding f of 2. To find f of 2, we're going to first begin by locating 2 along the x column. We then move to the f and we find the 5. F of 2 equals 5. If I want g prime of 1, I find 1, I go to g prime, and I get -3. If I want f of 0, let's do f prime of 0. Find 0, go to f prime, and you get 1. All right, let's take a look at a question involving the product rule. Now notice the question is asking us to find b prime of 1, but they've told us that b of x is equal to f times g. According to my derivative of the product rule, we will have f prime of x, g of x, plus f of x, g prime of x. Now, because they want it at 1, we're actually going to be finding f prime of 1, g of 1, plus f of 1, g prime of 1. Using my chart, f prime of 1 is 2. Direct substitution. G of 1 is 3. F of 1 is 3. G prime of 1 is -3. We now multiply, add like terms, and simplify, and we find -3 as our answer. As a result, we get -3. Now we're going to find that they're going to do this quite a bit with the product rule. We'll see this again with the quotient rule, and we'll see this with the chain rule. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Be well and be safe.